Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another clean with me video, and today I want to do a easy clean video. And this video is sponsored by Public Goods. Public Goods sent me a box of their goodies for me to clean my bathroom, and I am super excited about this. Public Goods make products that are sustainable and vegan and cruelty free. They have things from back to school, household, personal, and pet items. They also have snacks and grocery items, which I thought was really cool, and I can't wait to try those next. You can use my code down in the description box to save 15% on your order. The thing I love about Public Good is that they make beautiful and simple products that is good for the planet and also the people. Their packaging is very minimalistic and can also be recycled. And also all of their products are affordable and accessible, and you can apply for a membership so you can get things monthly. Public Goods also have a student discount on your first order, so if you're a student, you can definitely save on that student discount if you don't want to use my discount code down below. Public Goods also have a yearly membership. The membership, it only starts at $79, and you can try a 2-week free trial of the membership. If you decide you don't like it, you can cancel at any time. So today I'm going to be using these items only to clean my bathroom and show you how easy it is to get my bathroom clean. So first I'm going to show you guys what my bathroom is looking like. This is how our restroom typically looks in the morning when we're rushing and getting ready and we're going about our day. The tub was a little dirty. You couldn't see because the window there makes it super bright in my restroom, but the tub was definitely dirty and I needed to clean it. And our shower had all these water stains and soap stains on there. And one thing about my husband, he leaves everything out when he's getting ready for the day, so I have to go through and put everything up before I can start cleaning. So first I'm going to use their bathroom cleaner, and I'm just going to spray this in the sink. And I was so amazed how clean my sink looked after I used this. And these little scrubber pads are amazing. They're super soft and gentle on my stainless steel, but also on the sink because we have white granite, so it was super soft and easy to use. So on my side, I just kind of put everything away because I share a little area with Zara and her toothbrushes are always out of place. So I'm just going to quickly clean the sink, and like I said, this is an easy clean, not a deep clean. So once I finish everything, I'm just going to dry with a paper towel, and now I'm going to take their sanitizing lavender wipes. These are for your hands, but I decided to go ahead and use them for my counters because I wanted to see how good they would clean, and they smell amazing. And it was able to pick up all the dust in our bathroom. For some reason, our restroom gets really dusty, and so you can see all the dust and hair from Greg and also just in general because our bathroom gets super dusty for some reason. So now taking the glass cleaner, now you're going to see my face. I was a bit skeptical because like everybody, I use like Windex or whatever to clean my mirrors and my glass. But at first I was kind of like, I'm not sure. But then as it starts to dry down, it looks so amazing. I was quite surprised on how good this works. Now, I love this stuff and it works so well in my shower as well. And as you can see, I was thinking like, oh, okay, like look, it works. So it turns out really well, especially once it dries down. Now it's time for me to clean the tub, so I'm going to take that same bathroom cleaner and I'm just going to spray it around my tub. I didn't need anything else because this got soapy as well. And I'm going to use this little gadget that I bought off of Amazon that comes with multiple heads that you can attach to and clean your tub if you have back problems or if it's hard to reach certain areas of your tub. Now do be mindful that certain brushes can get certain areas, and they even have one that comes for the toilet. I don't use it for the toilet. I only use it for my tub and my shower floor. And it spins and rotates to help you get all the dirt and grit off your tub or shower. You can also bend the head down to get different little corners and areas, but I didn't bend it because I didn't need to. And it has a power button, and it also has 2 buttons on the side for you to adjust the length of the stick. I will leave a link to this for my Amazon account down below for you guys to definitely check out and purchase if you would like to get this for your bathroom. So once I finished kind of going around with the brush, I did go back in with their sponge to see how well it was going to clean my tub, and I loved how easy it lifted dirt. I didn't have to scrub super hard like I would do with any other sponge, and I just kind of went around the tub to kind of get all the extra little dirt that the brush didn't get, or I just wanted to test out the sponge. So now I'm going to rinse the tub, and I use this little blue thing that we bought for Zara's hair when we wash our hair, and it's super easy to kind of rinse around the tub because our tub is pretty big and wide, and it's hard to get all the dirt and dust off to rinse down the drain. So once I do that, I just go around with a paper towel and just kind of wipe everything down because I don't like my tub to stay wet. That's how you create mold. So I do go and I wipe it down and dry everything down and make sure everything is nice and dry and smooth and clean and free of dust, hair, or any dirt. So now it's time for the shower. This is the part where I was really excited about. I used the window cleaner to clean the shower walls because since they're see-through, they're glass, I wanted to see what was going to happen. Will it get any of the dirt off? And I was so surprised on how much of the soap scum, the watermarks that came off with just this one spray. Normally I use about 3 products to clean the shower when I do a deep clean. So if I can use this every other day to clean my shower walls, I am really excited about this. And all I used was a couple of sprays and paper towels, and that was it. So of course Greg had to come in and monitor and see what I was doing, and I was telling him about how amazing the spray was. So now I just want to refill some of the things on our counter, such as our Q-tips, our flossy little thingy things, and our little sponge pads. I also needed to wipe down everything because everything was super dusty. Not sure why our restroom gets so dusty, but I think it has something to do with one of the filters in the house. So I'm just going to refill everything up and wipe everything down with one of the sanitizing wipes. And I'm also going to do the same thing with my soap dispenser for our bubble bath and for our bath salts and our bath bombs. So like I told you guys, I'm using their lavender sanitizing wipes to wipe down all the glass things in my bathroom. And you can see that the wipes do get all the dust and dirt off of these because we handle these all the time and they sit. Sometimes if we don't take baths, we take showers mostly sometimes, depending on how busy we are. So the dust just kind of settles. So I'm just going to refill all of my bath salts and my bath bombs just to kind of make sure everything is nice and fresh and updated. And also I am going to go ahead and get everything nice and organized and cleaned in the bathroom. So lastly, I'm going to light the lavender vanilla candle that they sent me, and this smells so amazing. And that's it, guys. This is my full bathroom, a clean, easy clean with using Public Goods products. It was super fast, super easy. Only took me 20 minutes to get all the dust and dirt from out of my bathroom and giving me a quick clean for just in case if guests popped over. So I hope you guys will check out their products and click the link and use my coupon code down below. And I can't wait to chat with you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.